This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Use 12-gauge copper wire. Electrically ground oven. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock.
Remove oven door by flipping up the hinge latches on each side to release the door. Remove and set aside racks, oven bottom trim, and other parts from inside the oven. Interior walls and supports are required to screw side brackets into. These walls and supports should be the same size as the cutout dimension found in the installation instructions. Align bracket front flange to the back of the wall oven console to ensure aesthetic panel or trim is positioned flush to the front of the wall oven.
Two screws here, two here, two here. Go ahead and put the left-hand bracket in.
Install the left side bracket the same depth as the right side bracket.
For flush installation, we want to make sure these two spots are flush, so use a level or a flat tool. Make sure those are lined up.
Secure the right and left brackets to the side walls using the 12 screws provided. Now that the brackets are securely installed, install trim and be sure trim front face aligns to wall oven front face. If it does not, you will need to reposition brackets to correct depth before continuing. This single oven can be installed traditional or flush. See installation instructions for proper cabinet dimensions for each type of installation. The cabinet in this video has been sized for a flush installation. The installation process is the same for both types of installation. Adjust trim as needed. Once trim is properly adjusted, tighten screws.
Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install oven. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
At this point in the installation, the instructions state to wire the oven to the junction box, which should be located in the lower back of the oven cavity. Refer to installation instructions for wiring. Securely fasten oven to cabinet using the 2 self-tapping screws provided. Install the oven racks. Replace oven door. Move the hinge levers back to the locked position.